Good morning. How are you? How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So, welcome to this new and beautiful day. Okay, kids, let's start the class. Yes, come and sit in front of the screen, everyone. Let's start the class. So, how we used to start our class daily? Yes, we are going to sing welcome song together. All right, let's start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Now we'll sing the prayer, We Shall Overcome. Okay? Let's start, everyone. We shall overcome. We shall overcome. We shall overcome one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. We shall walk hands in hand. We shall walk hands in hands. We shall walk hands in hands one day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome one day. All right, kids. Now, kids, let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the date is 17 July 2021. Today, the date is 17 July 2021. And the day is Saturday. What is the day today? Today is Saturday. Yes. Okay. Yes, kids. Now come on. Let's say the days of the week together. Okay, so how many days are there in a week? How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. Hannah? So let's start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. So, kids, now let's say the names of month of a year. So, first of all, you tell me how many months are there in a year? एक साल में कितने months होते हैं? There are 12 months. Okay. I can't show on the fingers. हमारे पास इतनी fingers नहीं है. Okay. So, there are 12 months in a year. How many months? 12 months. Okay, let's say the name of the month, then we'll start our work. See, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay. So kids, now come on, get your awareness skill book. Get your awareness skill book. And open page number. Yes, page number 8. Page number 8. Come on, everyone, get your awareness skill book and open page number 8. My house. Okay, so everyone look at the picture. So here it is given my house. House आप सबको पता है हमारा घर. Okay, so as we all know कि सबके घर अलग अलग हैं. All the houses are different, है ना? They are different from each other. But जो rooms होते हैं house में, they all are same. सबके घर अलग अलग होते हैं. Some are big house, some are having small houses, some are having bungalows, like this. सबके घर अलग अलग होते हैं, different होते हैं. But the rooms in the house are same. ठीक है? Most of the rooms in the house are same. जो घर होता है, आप किसी भी घर में जाओ, भले वो छोटा हो बड़ा हो, और उसमें जो houses होते हैं, जो rooms होते हैं, they all are mostly same. कुछ rooms अलग होते होंगे, but most of them are same. So we'll talk about that today. So the first one is, look at the first picture. What it is? It's a kitchen. It's a kitchen. So we cook food in the kitchen. जैसे मैम ने आपको बताया कि घर सबके अलग अलग हैं, but उसमें जो rooms होते हैं, they all are same. तो सबके घर में kitchen होगा. आप किसी के भी घर में जाओगे, वो घर big हो, वो घर small हो, जैसा भी हो, they all have one kitchen. ठीक है? So these are rooms. Kitchen. तो kitchen क्या काम आता है? We cook food in kitchen. Mummy used to cook food in the kitchen. ऐसा है क्या कि हम किसी के घर में गए और उसके घर में किचन नहीं है? They are preparing their meal in their bedroom. ऐसा होता है कभी? No. All are having one kitchen in their house. सबके घर में एक किचन होता है. ठीक है? ऐसे कभी भी नहीं होगा कि आप गए तो वो बेडरूम में बैठकर खाना बना रहे हैं. They don't have kitchen and all. No, this won't happen. हमेशा सबके घर में एक किचन होता है. Kitchen. So kitchen is the place where we cook, where we cook food, where we prepare our meal. ठीक है? In the same way, the next one is bedroom. Bedroom. Bedroom जिसमें हम सोते हैं. The room which consists of one bed, mostly. ठीक है? या आप उस रूम को भी बेडरूम कह सकते हो, that you use for sleeping purpose. Okay? Bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. So all of us are having one or two or three bedrooms in our house. है ना? सबके घर अलग अलग है. Again I am telling, all of you have different houses. सबके घर एक दूसरे से अलग हैं. But in all the houses the rooms are same. आप अपने फ्रेंड के घर पर जाओगे, whenever you visit your friend's house, उसका घर आपके घर से अलग होगा, but उसमें भी एक किचन होगा, उसमें भी एक बेडरूम होगा और दूसरे अलग अलग रूम्स होंगे. ठीक है? तो बेडरूम, we sleep in the bedroom. बेडरूम वो होता है जिसमें हम सोते हैं. ठीक है? That is bedroom. Then the next one is bathroom. Yes. अच्छा, we are talking about bedroom. तो कभी ऐसा आपने देखा है कि किसी के घर पे बेडरूम नहीं है and they used to sleep in the kitchen or in the dining room? कभी ऐसा होता है क्या? होता है कभी ऐसा? No, very good उदय. कभी ऐसा नहीं होता है ना? तो that is I want to say कि घर भले कैसा भी हो, बड़ा हो, छोटा हो, डिफरेंट हो, बट सभी घरों में ये सारे रूम्स होते हैं. They all are having one kitchen, they all are having one bedroom, one or two bedroom and bathroom. Yes, bathroom भी होता है ना सबके घर में. So these all are the parts of our house. Bathroom. Bathroom क्या होता है? Where we used to take bath. That is known as bathroom. जहाँ हम बाथ लेते हैं. ठीक है? That is a bathroom. So these all are the parts of our house. Kitchen, where we cook our food. Kitchen वो होता है जहाँ पर हम खाना बनाते हैं. Then bedroom, जहाँ पर हम सोते हैं. And bathroom, जहां हम बाथ लेते हैं, ठीक है। द नेक्स्ट वन इज लिविंग रूम। यस, लिविंग रूम। वी ऑल आर हैविंग वन लिविंग रूम इन अवर हाउस। लिविंग रूम उसे कहते हैं व्हेन वी रिसीव अवर गेस्ट, जहां पर अगर कोई गेस्ट आता है, कोई मेहमान आता है, तो वी रिसीव देम एट दैट रूम, इन दैट रूम। ओके, कभी ऐसा है कि आपके घर में गेस्ट आए और आप डायरेक्टली उन्हें किचन में ले जाओगे कि कम ऑन, कम एंड सिट इन द किचन और कम एंड सिट इन द बाथरूम और विल शो आवर बेडरूम, ऐसा होता है क्या कभी? नहीं, नो। जब भी हमारे घर कोई मेहमान आता है, वी रिसीव देम, वी मेक देम सिट इन अवर लिविंग रूम, जहां पर सोफा होगा, जहां पर टेलीविजन होगा, है ना? अंडरस्टैंड? तो दीज आर डिफरेंट रूम्स इन अवर हाउस, इन ऑल ऑफ आवर हाउस, ठीक है। हाउस सबके अलग अलग हो, छोटे बड़े हो, कैसे भी हो, पर सबके घर में देयर इज वन किचन, देयर इज वन बेडरूम, देयर इज वन बाथरूम एंड देयर इज वन लिविंग रूम। ये सारे रूम सेपरेट सेपरेट होते हैं सबके घर में, कभी भी हम मिक्स नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। आर यू गेटिंग मी? So these are parts of our house. In kitchen, we used to make our food. In bedroom, we used to sleep. In bathroom, we used to take bath. And in living room, we receive our guest. ठीक है? Okay, kids? आपको समझ में आया? So these are parts of our house. जब हमारी क्लास खत्म हो जाए, then you go for a round in your house and then count करना कि किचन एक किचन है, how many bathrooms are there, how many bedrooms are there, living room, everything. You just note it down, okay? And I ask on Monday. This is your activity. After our class, you just go take a round in your house and note it down. कि kitchen, there is one kitchen. Bathroom कितने, how many bathroom we are having, how many bedrooms we are having, living room, everything. You just note it down and I'll ask this on Monday. ठीक है? All right, this is your activity. अच्छा, one more thing, parents. Yesterday I told you about the test on Monday. है ना? कल मैंने आपको टेस्ट के बारे में बताया था कि Monday I am going to take test, but the test will get postponed now. Monday कोई टेस्ट नहीं है. I am going to take test somewhere on Wednesday or Thursday. So you will get message regarding it. Monday टेस्ट नहीं है, वो postpone हो गया है. I'll take the test somewhere on Wednesday or Thursday. So you will get the message regarding it. All right? Okay. Now kids, turn on the page. Page number 9. Okay. तो हमने अपने हाउस के बारे में पढ़ा कि there are many rooms, are different types of room which we use for different purpose in our house. In the next page, there are parts of house. है ना? अब ये देखो, ये भी सबके घर में होता है. मैम, you will get the message regarding it. जो भी टेस्ट होगा, you don't worry, you will get message prior, 1 day prior or 2 days prior. Okay? I am only telling that कि Monday जो मैंने टेस्ट का कहा था वो नहीं है. Okay? So listen now. Yes. Look, window. You all know the windows. Are you having windows in your house? आपके घर में windows है कि नहीं है? Yes, we are having windows. जो खिड़की होती हैं उनको हम कहते हैं windows. जो खिड़की होती हैं उनको हम कहते हैं windows. तो सबके घर में ये different parts होते हैं. Then roof. Roof मतलब हमारी छत, ठीक है? That you call roof. All right? Roof मतलब हमारी घर की छत, ठीक है? Then door. Yes, you all are having one door or 2 doors in your house, है ना? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम जाते और विंडो में से घर में घुस जाते हैं, ऐसे होता है क्या? No. Yes, in all the houses there are doors and there are windows. सबके अपने अपने पर्पस होते हैं. All right, then yes, this is optional. Garage, किसी के घर पर गैराज होगा, किसी के घर पर नहीं होगा. तो the garage where we used to keep our bikes, our car, our bicycle, that is known as a garage. ठीक है? All right kids, windows मतलब खिड़की, door मतलब हमारा दरवाजा, garage मतलब where we used to park our cars and bicycles and motorcycles, everything. All right, then balcony. This also most of us we are having in our house, है ना? Balcony जो हमारी windows और door के बाहर का हिस्सा होता है, that is balcony. ठीक है? Then the path means आपके घर तक जाने के लिए जो रास्ता है, that is path. Okay, you learn the simple things. So again I am repeating, all of us are having windows, खिड़कियां, doors, darwaza, garage means where we used to keep our bikes, our cars, our bicycles, जहां पर हमारी bicycles, car ये सब चीजें रखते हैं, that is known as garage. Roof मतलब आपके घर की छत, and balcony, okay, the outer part of our house, balcony. All right, and the next is path मतलब होता है रास्ता, आपके घर के जाने के लिए जो रास्ता है, that is path. Okay, so these are the different parts of our house. आज हमने दो चीजें पढ़ी, different rooms and different parts of our house. Okay kids, done? All right, so now close your book. This is done for today. Now take your drawing book, sketch book, जिसमें हम drawing बना सकते हैं. Come on. All right, so kids, get your drawing book or sketch book. Means don't get confused between the art and craft book and drawing book. Drawing book means जिसमें आप draw कर सकते हो, okay, जिसमें हमने ship draw करा था. So today, first of all, write down the date 17/7/2021 and then write down the heading. आप heading भी लिखो. Today we are going to draw one engine. आज हम एक engine draw करेंगे, ठीक है? So I am writing the heading here. You just copy down. Draw an engine. Okay, you have to write the heading upstairs. In the upward position, upward page of the drawing book. Okay, write down the date on the left corner, and on the top of the page, you have to write down the heading. Draw an engine. Kids, you only have to write. Don't allow your mummy or your papa or anyone to write. Write down the date and then write draw an engine. DRAW, draw, AN, and ENGINE, engine. Okay, why I have used N here? मैंने यहाँ पर N क्यों यूज करा, A क्यों यूज नहीं करा? ये हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Why? Because यहाँ पर engine E से start हो रहा है और E एक vowel है. That's why I had written N here. ठीक है? So, as I told you in our previous class also, that we can draw many shapes with the help of the, we can draw many figures with the help of different shapes. हम अलग अलग शेप से बहुत सारे फिगर्स बना सकते हैं. So that day we had made one ship out of slanting lines, rectangle, squares, everything. So today also we are going to make the figure of engine with the help of by using different shapes. We can use different shapes for making different figures. Write down the date and write down the heading. Written? Shall we start? लिखने के बाद show your thumbs up to me. Show your thumb to me. So all right. Okay. Most of you have written the heading and the date. All right, now let's start. So we start with one rectangle. Rectangle, you all know. Rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. इसकी 2 sides बड़ी होती हैं and 2 sides छोटी होती हैं. You have to make one rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners, and 2 sides are bigger than the other 2 sides. You have to make one rectangle first. Can I erase the can I rub the heading? I think all of you have written. First of all, make a rectangle. The rectangle has 4 corners and 4 sides. 2 sides are bigger than the another 2. Okay, one more thing. थोड़ा बड़ा बनाना so that you can color it. You can use the scale also for making rectangle. Then after rectangle, make a square here. Rectangle के बाद आपको एक square बनाना. You have to make one square. Okay. The square is also having 4 corners and 4 sides. Square के भी 4 corners और 4 sides होती हैं. The difference is that कि square की जो चारों side होती हैं वो सब same होती हैं. All the sides of the square are same. ठीक है? First of all, you have to make a rectangle, then make a square here. If you want, you can use the scale for making the lines and all. With the help of different shapes, we can make different figures. Okay, then at the top of the square, आपको एक triangle बनाना है. Triangle. The triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Triangle. Okay. First, you have to make one rectangle, then one square, and at the top of the square, you have to make one triangle. Done? All right. Now, for making wheels of the engine, engine के wheels बनाने के लिए we have to make circle. Draw 2 circles here in this way and draw 2 circles here at this end. Okay? For making wheels, you have to make circle. 2 circles here and 2 circles at this end. And then make one slanting line. Everyone pay attention. From you have to make one slanting line. जो आगे वाला सर्कल है उसके टॉप से लेकर नीचे व पीछे वाले सर्कल के बॉटम तक you have to make one slanting line. Okay? Done? Now, done everyone? First you have to make one rectangle, then a square, then one triangle at the top and 2 circles at both the end of a rectangle and slanting lines to connect both the circles. Then make 2 small rectangles here for making light. Okay? Make 2 sleeping lines here in this way. Instead of lines, you can make curves और जो भी डिजाइन आपको पसंद हो you can make that. ठीक है? मैम ने जो रेक्टेंगल में लाइंस बनाई हैं instead of that, if you want to draw curves, तो आप curves भी बना सकते हो. That is for the design purpose only. All right. Now, after completing this, make 2 standing lines here and one oval at the top. 2 standing lines and one oval at the top of that standing lines. Okay, and draw some lines here. All right. Then at the end, you have to make two small rectangles here and one oval. So our engine is ready. If you want, you can make one man here. अगर आप चाहते हो तो you can make one driver here. ठीक है? This kind of. This is optional. This is up to your imagination. अगर आप बनाना चाहते हो तो you can make one boy, one driver here. Okay? All right, kids. So done? Done? Okay. Now, come on, show me. The coloring part you do afterwards. Or you color your engine now only. Come on, color it. All right. Done, everyone?